So, dear students, are you confused to choose the right subjects in the 11th and 12th? So, guys, don't worry, you are at the right place. I am Prathamesh Thorat and you are on the Trispire U. Today, I am going to discuss about the choosing the right subjects for the 11th and 12th. So, without wasting time, let's start our video. So guys, before starting the video, I want to clear the one point to you that why we need to choose the correct subject in the 11th and the 12th. So you just tell me that this is such a silly question, but it's also important. Just take a look on the an example that you have choose the PCMB in the 11th and the 12th. So in the PCMB you have the physics, chemistry, math and the biology. So and you just decide to go into the engineering side, and when you just take your admission in any engineering college, what they just do, they do not calculate your marks of the biology because it is not the subject of the engineering. They cut marks of the biology and you choose the biology, that's why they also cut the 2.5% marks of your total marks. So take a look on an example that you have the 81% in the 12th and the merit of that college is the 80. So you have to choose the PCMB, that do not choose the biology. That's why you will go into the 79 and the 78.5 percentage, and you will not be selected in the merit. So guys, this is the disadvantage of the choosing wrong subjects. So I am here to discuss about choosing the right subject. So for that I want to show you a slide. So without wasting much time, let's go to our screen. So hello guys, to choosing the correct subjects in the 11th and the 12th, there are the three blocks. First is the compulsory subjects. So compulsory subjects are the subjects which we need to choose or we must choose. We cannot take them as an optional subject. There is a second block which has the two sub blocks, which is the optional subjects. We can choose them, or instead of them we can choose the bifocal subjects. We will talk about this later. Firstly, take a look on the compulsory subjects. So guys, these are the compulsory subjects, which are the physics, chemistry, mathematics and the English. In the 11th and 12th, these are the compulsory subjects. We need to choose them, we must choose them. We cannot take them as optional subjects. Now we just move to our second block, which is the optional subject. So optional subjects are the subjects which we can choose or not. Means there we have too many options. Let's take a look on them. So in the first block, optional subject 1, we have these subjects, which is the biology, economics, geology and information technology. We can choose any one subject from this. And in this second block we have the Marathi, Hindi, Sanskrit and any other languages which we have. So second block is of the language and first block is of these subjects. So we can choose from any of these subjects and from these also. So one subject from here is compulsory, one is from here is compulsory. And we have the third block, so we will talk about it later, which is the bifocal subjects. Firstly, just take a look on an example that someone has decided to done the chartered account from the science. So to become the chartered account from science, what you need to choose, firstly he will take these compulsory subjects, these are the compulsory, then he can choose the economics as an optional subject 1, and in second he can choose any subject that he like. So this was a nice example. If someone want to done the pharmacy, he can choose the biology as an optional subject and any of these subject too. If someone want to go to the archaeology, he can choose the geology for the optional subject 1 and any of these language. If someone want to become the engineer but hasn't know which engineer, means mechanical, electrical, computer or software, he can choose the information technology subject and any language he likes. Now we will talk about the bifocal subjects. So bifocal subjects are very important. Just listen that a student has decided to become the engineer, but which he has decided that. So he can be the computer engineer, he can be mechanical, civil engineer, or the automobile engineer. So for such students, we can choose the bifocal subjects instead of optional subjects. So just take a look on the bifocal subjects. So these are the bifocal subjects. If someone want to be the computer engineer, he can choose the computer science. Want to be the civil engineer, he can choose civil engineering. For the mechanical, we have the mechanical engineering, and of course automobile engineering for the automobile engineer. So if you have decided to become the which engineer, you can choose any bifocal subject, but it depends upon the college to college. Some colleges are the bifocal and some are not. So only bifocal colleges can give the bifocal subject. So firstly, just take information about the college you are going to choose. Is that bifocal or not? If you haven't know which engineer you want to be or which career is nice to you, you can choose the optional subjects. So I hope guys you like this video. If you like, please subscribe my channel, share this video. If you have any doubts, you can mail me personally at this email or you can comment me down below. See you in the next video.